What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now today we are going to do the unboxing, installation and review of this LED sign app control. So basically, as you can see, it comes in this box and it can basically use text, pattern, you can design your own design, it can use music, control, animation. So these are the 5 basic things that this can actually have, or the function that this basically possesses. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to just unbox it, let you guys see what's inside. So inside the box, right guys, we have the adhesive tape right here. We also have some user instruction. We have another user instruction right here. We have a cigarette lighter to USB connection. So basically there are 2 USB connection right there, which is looking pretty neat. So right here guys, as you can see, this is LED panel, so it's looking pretty wide. Now this basically can change the mode, button right here to change the mode of the LED light. And also guys, we have another switch right here, and at the end we have a USB connection which will work just fine into this right here with the cigarette lighter. So guys, that's basically how it looks. It's pretty bit wide, and this is the LED panel that is displayed right here. So I'm gonna connect it up right now guys. I think there's adequate amount of card right here that can hook it up onto the back of the glass with these adhesive tape. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to install it and show you guys how it basically works. Alright guys, so basically the way to install this inside the car or inside the back of the car, ensure that the LED panel with the light is facing outward, so that whenever you install it like this part will show outward. So basically I'm getting my tape right now and I'm going to just put it on the strip right here outside so that it can be pasted on the glass. So I'm just going to install it right now to show you guys. Alright guys, so finally I've installed the strip right here. So basically I'm going to tear off this red piece and I'm going to install it right now in my back glass. So I'm going to take off this piece right here. I'm going to install it on the back glass right here. So I'm going to center it up like this. I'm going to paste it right here. Alright, so basically I have installed it in the back of my glass. So what I did was to run the card right on here. So this is basically control. That person on the box, you can actually control it right here. So I run it into the corner right here, go down, strip. So make sure that I hide it away from making it visible. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to just run it over here, but I can connect it up. So guys, I connect it up to the front. As you can see, I have my card right in my USB. So I can basically connect it to this and put it inside my cigarette lighter. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright guys, so basically that's how it looks inside the back of the car right there, as you can see. So basically on the app you can put it into different design, different text, different pattern, different animation that you want. So this one right here, that's how it looks. So basically you can use your manual to scan it to download the app. So guys, basically you can connect it to your Android phone or your Apple device by scanning this code right here to download the app. Once you download the app and you go on the app, you will connect it via a Bluetooth. Once you connect it via Bluetooth, you can be able to customize it in different light that you want, light pattern. You basically can change the mood and those things based on what you're seeing here. So this is basically the interface of the app whenever you're using it. So you can use all these signs, as you can see right there. I have my sign right there, this one that I've been using. You can change it, you can customize your own, you can use like music control and all those things. So basically if you want further more information on how to set this up, you can scan this code right here, which gonna bring you to a video to show you how to do that. So that's basically how it looks. I'm going to show you guys some more design. Alright guys, so this is basically a preview of the user interface. As you can see, there are all different dynamics and statics that you can choose from based on pattern. You can put your own text right there. As you can see, I already have my customized text. You can also click on the plus icon right there to put your own. And also you can put different graffiti depending on what type you want to choose, different animation. You're gonna click the button to add those animation. So basically there are a lot of different things that you can do with the app control right here. So you can also change the brightness of it, right, as you can see right there.